everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well and enjoying the holiday season. I am here to share a compilation of a few things I've been doing these last couple of weeks, including come shopping with me, some unboxing, my first time wreath making with Nathan. So it's been very fun. I always try to do at least one video upload per week for you guys, and sometimes it's been two. This week I have been swamped, so I thought this will hopefully be good enough for now. As you can see, I do have some unboxings to do, which I will likely upload the day of Christmas or the day after Christmas. So definitely subscribe, stay tuned if you want to see what I got. I hope you guys are all doing well, hanging with your families and friends, enjoying each other's company. I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy! This is the first time I've seen a suitcase in the store. Apparently it's been available for about 2 to 3 months already, but that was really cool to see. The flat pieces, 4 inches. I think hers was more puffy, but okay. Okay, our wreath has started. It is looking really good. Nathan has been cutting out pieces for me to put onto the wreath, and yeah, it's looking great. Alrighty, so this is the wreath. We're still working on it. There's some bald spots, so we're gonna add some flowers. Yeah, bald spots. Our first wreath completed. Yay!